To make a giraffe, inflate a yellow balloon and leave a margin at the end of about 5 inches. Now we will make an angle at about 1.5 inches from the knot. To prevent the balloon from escaping, hold on to the knot in the same time as you form the angle. Pinch it as usual. And form a bubble right after the angle. See, the crease should be at the side of the bubble and not in the middle as usual. Good! Now make a nice round bubble, followed by another round bubble that should be a bit smaller than the first one. Then a third bubble that should be exactly the same size as the second one. And you'll finish this series of bubbles by a last one that will be exactly the same size as the first bubble of that series. And lock twist them together. We now have the head of the giraffe with its horns and ears as well as its long neck. Let's now make its body. To do that, make a zigzag with the last segment of the balloon. The first part will be the length of the neck. So, pinch an angle at that first fold. And make a bubble right after the angle. Now, fold the last segment of balloon in two. The first half will be for the two front legs, and the last half will be for the tummy, the two hind legs, and the tail. Folding the first half in two will show you how long the bubbles for the front legs should be. So, now you can make your first front leg, your second one, and lock twist them together. At this stage, this is the shape you should have. Since we still have a little margin, let's make a little pinch twist to strengthen the connection between the neck and the rest of the body. But if you don't have enough margin left, you don't have to do it. Voila! Let's now make a small tummy, followed by the two bubbles for the hind legs, which will be a bit shorter than the front legs. And the last little bubble will be the tail. Lock twist the two hind legs together. And if necessary, put back all the bubbles in place. The twisting of the giraffe is all finished. Let's now draw on it. We start by the eyes, then the eyebrows, and now the spots. There are so many spots, I'll just do a few. And this is how you can make a very cute balloon giraffe.